Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I hope you guys are doing well. Fired up a 2015 Pete 389 glider kit flat top. Gotten it hot this afternoon. Gonna do a full walk around underneath the hood, inside. It's got a pre-E-log 12.7 liter Detroit, 13 speed, 372 on the clock. Let's get rolling. First, looking at the engine. We'll take a look at the blow-by and then do the walk around. Really clean engine, no oil leaks, dry. This one does come with the air ride front end, which you don't get a whole lot of in the glider kit. This truck's a little more custom than most, just mainly from a paint standpoint, a few extra lights. Got a little bit of clear coat feeling on the stripe there. Other than that, your body is in excellent shape. Call it moderate blow-by. Really cool truck overall. If you wanted to stand out, be a little different, stand out from the crowd, this would be her. Got a small spot on the fender there, the clear coat's starting to feel. Other than that, really nice. There's some extra lights on the back as well. This truck did come out of the south, so there's no rust to speak of either. New drives on the back. New brakes as well. Hardwood floors, custom paint on the inside, all your gauges. Like this truck's got the rear window as well. Interior is clean. Well taken care of truck, especially for 372. Got good hours to match the miles. Oil pressure is great. You're 30, 35 on the low side. And up over 60 on the higher idle side. Guys, well, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions and need anything else on this one or any other truck, you can always call me at 901-896-4526. Thanks for watching.